Hi guys, welcome to our 80s life. I'm Abby. If you love all things 80s, you are in the right place. And if you want to learn how to make your hair have that awesome 80s look without a perm, keep watching. So I have discovered it's actually really easy to get that 80s look that I used to wear when I always had a perm in my hair. You can see my hair is naturally very straight, but do you want to know my secret weapon? It's this, you guys. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist, and I totally love it. It opens like this. It's like a giant crimper. Isn't that cool? I know it looks really funky, but this thing works awesome. And today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. Okay, let's plug it in. Turn the switch on. There's an indicator light that it is plugged in and warming up. It really only takes about 5 minutes to heat up, if that, and then we'll be ready to go. In another recent video, I actually used 80s retro curlers to curl my hair like I used to, and man, styling products have definitely improved since the 80s because those things took forever to heat up. They didn't produce the curls that I was really hoping for. But this thing does not disappoint. It is awesome. I've only had it plugged in for a couple minutes. It's already quite hot. The only other tool I recommend is just a clip because you want to put part of your hair up. I'll show you. So in order to be able to style the whole thing, I usually start by putting about half of my hair, this top section, into a clip. And so I can just get it out of the way, like that. Take a section. It doesn't even have to be like that small of an area. It just depends on how much waves you want. If you want big beachy waves like what are popular nowadays, take bigger chunks, bigger sections, and just barely tap it. But if we want that 80s look, we want to go all the way up to the crown like this. Be careful, you can burn yourself pretty easy with this thing. But you want to clamp it for just a few seconds and then slide down and clamp it again and again. And I usually do 3 or 4 passes and that's it. Then you get the waviness, and that's why it's called the Wave Artist, because it's going to give you big old waves. But if you do it all the way across your head, it will look like a perm. You there? Okay, so now I'm gonna do these other, there's about 4 sections in the bottom, and then I'll pull the clip off and do the top part. And like I said, this takes probably less than 5 minutes. It's really easy. And also, it's really forgetting. Whatever you do, it's gonna look good. It's pretty hard to mess up. Now let's take the top part down. And we just need to do these sections until we've gotten it all waved. And that's literally it. Isn't that fun? The other thing I love about this is it gets a lot of body in your hair. So if you're someone like me that has sort of thin hair that doesn't have a ton of body, this will instantly boost the volume and it will last for days. When you get to your bangs, you can either leave them be and fix them separately, or you can sort of grab them into one of the sections and sort of integrate them in like that so that they will blend. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. Like I said, this is pretty foolproof. Ta-da! Instant 80s perm without the commitment. Now you'll just want to zhuzh it a little bit, hit it with some hairspray. A true 80s girl would be using lots of Aquanet at this point. I don't have any of that, but this'll do. All right, right, so zhuzh it up, spray it up, put on your coolest 80s concert t-shirt, and you're ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome 80s content, and I will put a link to the Wave artist in the description below if you decide you want to get one for yourself.